In this video, I'm going to show you about environment request, which is usually done by a maker within your organization. So, take for example a scenario whereby a maker or a developer basically thinks of like coming up with some solution, and then for that that person needs some environment. Now, that environment does not exist, so make a request for an environment. Now, within the Center of Excellence Starter Kit, what maker can do is like maker can navigate to the maker environment request app. Okay, once the maker navigates to this app, which is uh, like a part of the governance component. Okay, so which is a part of which is a part of the core component. Within that core component, if you trigger this maker environment request app, as a maker, you can submit a new request. Okay, once you submit a new request, what happens is those requests will go to the admin environment request app. So any request you submit, it will be received by an admin, and then admin can take an action. Okay, so admin can view this request. Okay, now let's assume we open this request, and then the admin can approve and reject this environment request details. Okay, now admin can edit some details in this form. They can view the and modify the policy. They can put some notes around here, and they can see the connectors which are either blocked or not blocked by the DLP policy. But where are the other places where an admin can see some more details? Okay, for the environment creation request. Now, this is a bit hidden within another app called as Power Platform Admin View. Now, once an admin navigates to the Power Platform Admin View, on the left hand side you will see in another section called as requests. Okay, and there is new environment. Now, once you click on request new environment, now this view is same as the admin environment request view. So all the data is coming from here. Okay, so let me put some notes here, like say 23, 25, 2023, and let me save this record. Okay, now I'm just saving this record. Okay, now if I go into Power Platform Admin View, and then if I go into this particular request, I will see more information compared to what I was seeing over in the admin environment request app. So as an admin, I can go here and look for some more information. I can edit this information, and then I can do that approval process, and I can go into the admin tab. I can put an approver email. I can see the notes which was updated from that app. So this video is just all about, like if you want to see some more fields which is not available within the admin environment request app, you can navigate to Power Platform Admin View, and then go into request new environment, and thereby action your request. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.